Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable or disable selfie mirror effects on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this 4-dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and you will see save selfie as previewed is here. If you want to enable save selfies as previewed, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, save selfies as previewed is enabled. If you want to disable save selfies as previewed, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see save selfies as previewed is disabled. You will enable or disable save selfies as previewed from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable selfie as mirror effects on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.